Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a task, a subtask in Asana. So it is really simple, just follow my steps. First, open up the project where you want to do this, and now I want to add this task 1 to be a subtask for this task 2. So what will I do is to select the task 2 and open it. And now scroll to the section where I have this subtask. I will not click on the add subtask, but on these 3 dots next to subtask 1, and then drag and drop it right where I can see this line popping up. So you should see it right now, and then release it. And simply as that, the subtask is added. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.